What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Did you accidentally leave your Discord logged out in a school or logged in the office or a friend's house? Don't panic. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to secure your account and sign out of Discord on all devices remotely using your desktop. Let's lock it down. Now, open up your Discord desktop app and make sure you're logged in. Look down at the bottom right corner, right next to your username and mic controls. Then click on that little cog icon to open your user settings. Now in your settings menu, look at the left sidebar and scroll down until you see the devices option. Click that. This page is your security hub. Here you'll see a complete list of every single device currently logged into your account. Discord even shows you operating system, the app type, the location, and even so you can easily figure out which session is which. Now, all you have to do is just click the cross icon right next to a device. But if you want to be 100% safe and nuke everything at once, scroll all the way to the bottom and click the giant red logout of all unknown devices button. Discord will ask you to enter your password to confirm. If your two-factor authentication turned on, which you definitely should, you'll need to enter it, so then hit next and boom. Just like that, you are logged out of every single device except the one you are currently using. If this quick tutorial helped you out, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.